How to set one single name on Facebook. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily set only single name on your Facebook account. So first thing, make sure you are logged in with your Facebook account, and inside your Facebook account simply head over to your profile section and scroll down until you find the settings, and just click on settings option from over here. And then you have to click on the account center, and once you click on the account center, you will see the option called profile. When you enter the profile section, you'll again have to click on the Facebook, and from here you'll be redirected to this page. And as you can see, when I click on name, you will see your first name, middle name, and surname. So if I want to keep only my first name, what I can do is simply delete it and add a space button like this. And you can see, you can now review the change from over here and just click on it. And that is exactly how you can set your one single name on Facebook. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.